Towards the left is the Flamingo Hotel and Casino. It opened up in December 26, 1946, leaving it as the oldest casino on the Strip. There is a wildlife habitat in the back of the Flamingo. They have Chilean flamingos, swans, and pelicans. There also used to be African penguins in the habitat, but those animals got moved to another location. If you enjoy my content, please hit the like button, and if you want more of these videos, hit subscribe to get notified. The Cromwell is a boutique hotel and casino. It used to be the Barbary Coast. In 2020, the Cromwell became an adults-only property. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more Las Vegas content, click on subscribe.